Hello everyone. In this short video, let me show you how to hide unwanted and unused Gutenberg blocks. Go to Gutenberg options, preference. Then in the blocks tab, you can untick those blocks that you want to hide. Then you can go back. That's it. Those untick blocks are hidden. That's all you need to do. This is much needed feature, and you need to do this when you install 2 or more Gutenberg add-ons to design a beautiful pixel perfect professional WordPress website with Gutenberg. You'll find here hundreds of blocks congested together here. It takes time to load hundreds of blocks, so it may slow down your editing experience. That's not good. So hide those unused and unwanted blocks to improve the speed of your website, or to improve the workflow. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you in the next video.